This is the Local Grow Farms microgreen container. Cornstarch, looks like plastic, fully compostable.
Oh,
Very hard to find. Now, when I open this up, you're gonna see the action. Ooh. Greens. Fresh.
Smell
You
it.
can cut them with a, it smells good.
It smells so
So you can
good.
cut it with scissors, but here's the thinking. It says on the label that the farmer for this happens to be Charlie Serrati with my contact information. So I'm thinking of recruiting a new generation of farmers.
All right.
Because if you grow these with one light and the rack system that costs about $200 of equipment, which I will front, I'll be the seed, the investor. You can give to neighbors and they might pay $2 or $3, even $4 for a package like this.
Oh, cool.
So you can make about $2,500 over a year, and that includes, that's the profit, that includes the cost of electricity, which is pennies. You know, because it only takes 7 days to grow these.
Yeah.
So I'm going to set these out, but then there's a reveal that I have that is underneath this garment. So you ready?
Yeah.
So the Eagles didn't do so well
Yeah.
tonight, but you know, it's okay. So I'm going to take this off first. It's layered. And you ready for this?
Ooh,
Wait, no, this is, congratulations.
Thank you.
As a fellow Penn grad, good work. But here's the big deal. You ready for this? This is the real action, fresh, came in today. I grow, therefore I am. So it's not just like growing plants, it's like growing,
Yeah.
you understand?
Wow.
That's smart.
Growing as a person. Smarter in the noggin, smarter in the gut.
Right.
Pretty cool, right?
I need
This
to
is,
take
by
a
the way,
picture.
made totally organic.
Oh.
We also have shirts that are made from recycled soda bottles, shredded like plastic, spun into fiber, and scraps of cotton.
Wow.
That's really cool.
So I hope this video resonates with any of you young people. I'm 55 and you're 16, 15, almost 16, and you're
17.
17. That this generation can change the world.
Yes. Woo!